Ever wonder why some foods earn the prestigious superfood title while others don't make the cut? Join me on a personal journey through the world of nature's most nutritionally dense offerings. I'll share the unexpected discoveries that transform my health and reveal ancient secrets about everyday foods hiding in plain sight at your local market. What I found will change how you shop forever. Have you ever stood in the produce section, overwhelmed by choices, wondering which foods are truly worth your money? I certainly did. 3 years ago, my doctor delivered news that forced me to completely reimagine my relationship with food. What began as a desperate search for healing became an eye-opening adventure into the remarkable world of superfoods. And the truth was far more fascinating than any health magazine had ever let on. The term superfood gets thrown around so casually these days that it's easy to dismiss as marketing hype. But after experiencing the transformative effects these nutritional powerhouses had on my own health, I became obsessed with understanding what makes certain foods so exceptional. Beyond the trendy acai bowls and overpriced goji berries lies a deeper story. One rooted in ancient wisdom, cutting-edge nutritional science, and surprising cultural histories that rarely make into mainstream conversations. What I discovered is that true superfoods aren't just nutrient-dense. They're historically significant, evolutionarily remarkable, and often hiding in plain sight. The most fascinating aspect? Many of the world's most potent superfoods are surprisingly affordable and accessible, sitting quietly on grocery store shelves while their more exotic counterparts get all the glory. Let's start with something that might be sitting in your kitchen right now. Garlic. This humble bulb has been used medicinally for over 5,000 years, but modern science is only beginning to understand its full potential. When you crush garlic, it releases allicin, a compound with powerful antimicrobial properties. Ancient Egyptian workers building the pyramids received garlic rations to increase their strength and resistance to illness, an early form of performance enhancement that actually worked. Clinical studies now confirm that regular garlic consumption can reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol profiles, and enhance immune function. What I found most surprising was learning that how you prepare garlic dramatically affects its benefits. The allicin compound only activates when garlic cells are damaged, and it needs about 10 minutes to reach maximum potency after crushing. Yet heat destroys allicin quickly. The solution? Crush your garlic first, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then add it to your cooking. This simple timing adjustment multiplies the health benefits exponentially, a trick I wish someone had told me years earlier. Speaking of timing, let's talk about fermentation. Nature's way of transforming ordinary foods into nutritional powerhouses. Take kimchi, for instance. This traditional Korean staple transforms humble cabbage into a probiotic-rich superfood due to the magic of lactic acid fermentation. What's fascinating is that different regional kimchi recipes evolved to address specific health challenges of those areas. Coastal regions incorporated more seafood for iodine, while inland variations used more root vegetables for their mineral content. When I first started making kimchi at home, I was stunned by how dramatically different homemade versions taste compared to commercial products. The living enzymes create a complex flavor profile that continually evolves, and the probiotic counts can be orders of magnitude higher than store-bought versions. Within weeks of incorporating fresh kimchi into my meals, my digestion improved dramatically, and unexpected benefits emerged, from clearer skin to more stable energy levels throughout the day. The world of superfoods extends far beyond what Western nutrition typically acknowledges. Moringa, sometimes called a miracle tree, grows easily in drought-prone regions across Africa and Asia. Its leaves contain all 9 essential amino acids, rare for plant sources, plus significant amount of calcium, iron, and vitamins. Gram for gram, Moringa leaves provide 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 4 times the calcium of milk, and 4 times the vitamin A of carrots. Yet despite this exceptional nutritional profile, Moringa remains relatively unknown in Western markets. What struck me most about Moringa is its sustainability. The tree thrives in poor soil conditions, requires minimal water, and grows rapidly, producing nutrient-dense leaves that can be harvested multiple times per year. In many ways, it represents the future of nutrition. Resilient, efficient, and exceptionally nutritious. I started adding Moringa powder to smoothies and soups, amazed that something so potent could come from such a humble-looking plant. But sometimes the most powerful superfoods are hiding in plain sight, masquerading as ordinary produce. Take the blueberry, a common fruit with uncommon properties. These small berries contain more antioxidants than almost any other commonly consumed food, primarily due to anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color. These anthocyanins have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function, potentially slowing brain aging. The research on blueberries and brain health is particularly fascinating. In one long-term study tracking older adults, those who consume blueberries regularly experience significantly slower rates of cognitive decline, essentially keeping their brains younger. When I incorporated a daily handful of blueberries into my diet, I noticed subtle improvements in mental clarity and focus within weeks. The effect was gentle but unmistakable, especially during mentally demanding tasks that would previously leave me feeling foggy. Many superfoods earn their status through exceptional mineral density. Seaweed, for instance, concentrates minerals from seawater, making one of the richest dietary sources of iodine, a critical nutrient for thyroid function. Different varieties offer unique profiles. Kombu provide glutamic acid, creating the savory umami flavor. Dulse offers high iron content, and spirulina provides complete protein with all essential amino acids. What I found most remarkable about seaweed was learning about its role in the extraordinary health of traditional Japanese communities, particularly in Okinawa, where centenarians are commonplace. Their regular consumption of diverse sea vegetables provides minerals largely missing from modern Western diets. After incorporating small amounts of seaweed into my weekly meals, I noticed improvements in my energy levels that no multivitamin had ever provided. Not all superfoods come from the plant kingdom. Small fatty fish like sardines and anchovies offer exceptional nutrition in a sustainable package. These small fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but don't accumulate the high levels of mercury and environmental toxins found in larger predatory fish. They're also more environmentally sustainable, as their populations replenish quickly and harvesting them causes minimal ecosystem disruption. The omega-3 content of these small fish helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, a factor increasingly linked to nearly every chronic disease. When I started replacing tuna with sardines, I noticed my persistent joint pain began to subside and my skin quality improved noticeably. The most surprising benefit came in the form of improved mood stability, consistent with research showing omega-3's benefits for brain health and emotional regulation. Perhaps my most unexpected discovery was learning about the nutritional power of often discarded food parts. Citrus peels contain higher concentrations of beneficial compounds than the fruit itself. The white pith of oranges and lemons is rich in asparagine and other flavonoids with anti-inflammatory properties. Watermelon rinds provide citrulline, which improves blood flow. Even humble vegetable stems and leaves often contain more nutrients than the parts we typically eat. Learning to use these scraps revolutionized my cooking. Citrus zest adds bright flavor while boosting nutritional value. Beet greens provide more nutrients than the roots. Broccoli stems, when peeled and sliced thinly, are tender and delicious while providing compounds that support detoxification pathways in the liver. This approach not only improved my nutrition, but also stretched my food budget considerably. What ties all these superfoods together isn't flashy packaging or trendy status. It's their exceptional nutrient density, bioavailability, and the presence of unique compounds that interact with our biology in beneficial ways. The most powerful dietary changes often come not from expensive supplements or exotic imports, but from incorporating diverse, whole foods with these exceptional properties. After years of exploring the world of superfoods, I've come to see nutrition less as a checklist of isolated nutrients and more as a fascinating relationship between our bodies and the remarkable plants and animals that evolved alongside us. Each superfood tells a story of adaptation, survival, and the intricate dance between species that has shaped our nutritional needs over millennia. The most valuable lesson I've learned is that true nutritional wisdom combines ancient food traditions with modern scientific understanding. The foods our ancestors prized for generations often turn out to contain precisely the compounds our bodies need most, a testament to the power of observational wisdom passed down through cultures worldwide. So next time you're standing in that grocery store aisle, overwhelmed by choices, Remember that the most powerful superfoods might not be the ones with fancy packaging or the highest price tags. They might be the humble garlic bulbs, the dark leafy greens, or the small oily fish that generations before us recognized as particularly life-giving. If you've discovered the transformative power of any superfoods in your own life, drop a comment below sharing your experience. And if you want to continue exploring the fascinating world of nutrition with me, click subscribe for weekly videos uncovering the hidden wisdom in what we eat. Your body deserves the extraordinary nourishment that nature's most potent foods can provide.